Inside the anti-magic army hospital, nurses gathered in the reception, sipping coffee and sharing a cigarette break. A handsome face entered the hallway, prompting a chorus of performatively bright calls. Disturbing sounds of agony littered the corridor as Bonamy passed through. Reaching the changing room, he put on his nurse's uniform. Then a sharp knock echoed on the steel door. He passed Job's desk, who was hidden by an overtowering stack of folders. Bonamy gave a quick nod, which Job returned with a deep sigh, looking away.